So for this one, they will reward you based on the engagements that your content will be getting. What's up guys? In this video, we will be talking about a blockchain that is based on proof of engagement and will transform SocialFi forever. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Gorilla DeFi. Link will be in the description of the video. It is an all-new blockchain with the proof of engagement. Just like what I mentioned earlier, it will transform SocialFi. So thrive in the decentralized ecosystem where the genuine engagement earns native tokens, crafting an engaging social media experience for creators and users alike. So if you are like a content creator of whatever niche, you can go ahead and check this one out. If you get engagements, then you could earn out of those already, right? So GODChain flips the script on the old consensus mechanism, guys, that you are used to. So no more proof of work, no more proof of stake. What they will be doing here will be different and with their own revolutionary proof of engagement system. So it is going to be entirely on the engagements for the content that the content creators will be doing. So what is PoE all about, or what is the proof of engagement all about, right? That's the first question that you guys will be asking. So imagine this, guys, a social media platform where your genuine engagement actually earns you tokens. So what it means is that the more you create, the more you have likes, more comments, more reviews, more shares, the more you get rewards from those already. So just like I say, for example, in YouTube, if you create a content, you get likes, you get comments, YouTube will promote you and get more viewers into watching your content or your videos, and then they will pay you based on the views that you get. So for this one, they will reward you based on the engagements that your content will be getting. But guys, Gorilla DeFi isn't just going to give you the feels. They're also going to give you the bills too. So the staking platform launches on January 23rd of this year. So it's very, very close. In just a few days, they will already be launching this one. And I will also show you the pre-sale details in a bit. So hang on with that as well. And it's bringing the heat with a sweet 0.9% daily income for the stake tokens that you have invested. So just like what I mentioned, guys, their pre-sale is going to happen on the 23rd of this year. So mark your calendars. This is something that you need to go ahead and check out. Do your own research, check them out. All their information, like their white paper, is also here. This is also a good starting point when you do your own research. So make sure that you know the ins and outs, the details, the information. Make sure to follow the social media platforms as well, so you won't miss out on any announcements, giveaways, airdrops, or anything like that. Have a feel of the community as well. So here you have all sorts of information about the project, which again, I strongly recommend that you visit and check out before you even start buying. But again, guys, make sure to do your own research and make it quick, because in just a matter of few days, the pre-sale is already going to happen. And one of the best ways that you could earn on projects is by making sure that you purchase your tokens on pre-sales or IDOs or some things like that, instead of buying during the public sale already, where, you know, the price of the token is already higher compared to doing it or buying it on the pre-sale for that project. So that being said, guys, they are also promising some pretty sweet perks for those people that will be participating in the pre-sale. So 0.9% daily rewards on your stake God tokens. That's like free money raining down from your crypto sky. And then 5% referral commission. So if you have like a friend or a family member that is also, you know, looking for investments and all that, you could give them your referral codes and you get 5% out of the investment that they are going to do. So you get a 5% bonus on their stake as well. So that is an instant profit machine, which is just a bonus for you. All right, here is the 5% commission, just like what I mentioned earlier. So the referral program, you could send your referral links to your friends and families and then get 5% commissions on that one. These are the tokenomics as well. So 990 million total mintable supply. They also have the allocations here. So media partners, exchange liquidity, GODChain, airdrop, marketing team. You have pre-sale rewards and staking, and you have all sorts of information that you guys could go ahead and check out. All right, so GODChain, you have it here. But look at that. This is the app that they are going to be launching very, very soon. And of course, this is the roadmap. Okay, I would also strongly recommend that you include this on your research. Okay, when you do your own research, this is something that you would also like to get information on where the direction of the project will be, what are the timelines, when it's going to happen, and so on. And then they also have the FAQ section here. How is Gorilla DeFi related to GODChain? What is Crypto God? What is Gorilla DeFi pre-sale staking? And yada yada. So you have also FAQs in here as well. You have a teaser or information video here, so you can go ahead and check this one out as well. Those are the very informative and things that you could include when you do your own research. And of course, you have their social media platforms here. You have their LinkedIn, they have Instagram, Discord, Telegram. You have also their Twitter, so you could go ahead and check that one out as well, and you could contact them via this email address. All right, and of course, guys, make sure to stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be beneficial with your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.